how to set up an app lock for your banking app on Android. Now, setting up an app lock for banking app on Android is best achieved through built-in manufacturer feature on Android's native private space. For this, you want to open up your settings on your device. And as you go to settings, you then need to go to security and privacy. Here it is. As you do this, you want to scroll down a bit. There you have private space. Here it is. You just want to make sure to enable this option first of all. Once you enable the private space, now you just want to make sure to go and follow the on-screen prompt. So you're just going to lock private space automatically or lock private space lock. You just want to make sure to toggle this button as well. And once you've done this, what you need is exit out of this page. Now here, if you want to protect your banking app, let's say this is the one, you just want to make sure to go ahead and, what you want to do is actually exit out. You just want to swipe down from the bottom and just select plus and select install app. And you just want to make sure to go and sign it and add in your private space or add in your banking app on Android. And this is how you're supposed to set up app lock for your banking app on Android. Similarly, you could also create a file, or you could also create a widget. There you could also set a password that can also help you protect your account, or that is also one way of setting up your app lock for your banking app on Android. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.